Hello, in this video I will show you my new Arduino. Usually I always use Arduino Uno or Nano for my project, but now I decided to try Internet of Things project. This Arduino is Arduino MKR100 and it is interesting because it have built-in Wi-Fi chip. This means that this Arduino can be connected to internet. So I can control this Arduino from big distance or get data from it on my phone anytime. In past I used ESP32 to make internet-based project, but now I will try Arduino. Today is very simple to make Internet of Things projects because there is plenty interfaces and apps that can help you. For this video I will try Blynk app. With this app I can make simple communication with my Arduino. In app there is bunch of controls, but here I will use only a few of them. I will use button, slider and this big circle diagram. Arduino board needs to be connected to internet using Wi-Fi, and there is simple code which can do that. This is my simple example of remote communication over the internet. With this button I can turn on and off LED. I can also send value of this slider to my Arduino. To show values I'm using this OLED display. You can see the value of slider is very quickly updated on this OLED display. But Arduino can also send data to my app. If I rotate this potentiometer, value of analog reading will be shown on this big circuit diagram. I can also send my phone sensors data. In this example I will send data from light sensor to Arduino device. You can see when I put finger over the light sensor, value of OLED on OLED display change. I can also send my location and other phone data to Arduino. Internet of Things projects are very popular today. You can make many cool projects, for example a smart house or a plant which can send you notification when it's thirsty, or for example you can turn on your house heating system from distance or turn off all lights in house. There are many possibilities. I'm very happy with this new Arduino, and on this channel I will show you my future Internet of Things projects and also tutorials. Thanks for your time, feel free to subscribe, and sorry for bad English, but I feel that this gets better, I hope. Bye.